Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI stock market investing. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your portfolio, we've got the top 5 best ways to get started. But before we dive into it, let's have a crash course in how the stock market works. Understanding the stock market can seem daunting, but it's simpler than you might think. Let's break it down. The stock market is essentially a marketplace where investors buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a share, you're purchasing a small piece of that company. The value of your shares goes up or down based on how well the company performs. For example, if a company is doing well and making profits, the value of its shares generally increases. Conversely, if a company is struggling, the value of its shares might decrease. So why get started in stock investing today? First, it's a way to grow your money over time. Historically, the stock market has provided higher returns compared to other investments like savings accounts or bonds. Second, investing helps you build wealth and achieve financial goals, such as buying a house or saving for retirement. And third, starting early gives your investments more time to grow due to the power of compounding, where your investment gains start generating their own gains. With that foundation, let's dive into the top 5 best ways to get started in AI stock market investing. Number 5, choose the right platform. First things first, you'll need a reliable platform to buy and sell stocks. Look for user-friendly platforms like Robinhood, E*Trade, or TD Ameritrade. These platforms offer easy-to-navigate interfaces and educational resources to help beginners understand the market. Many of them also offer tools to help you research and track AI stocks specifically. Number 4, invest in AI-focused ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are a great way to diversify your investments. An ETF pools money from many investors to buy a basket of stocks, providing you with instant diversification. Look for ETFs that focus on AI and technology, such as the Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, known as BOTE, or the iShares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, called IRBO. These funds give you exposure to a broad range of AI companies without the need to pick individual stocks, spreading your risk and increasing potential returns. Number 3, start with established tech giants. Investing in well-known tech companies that are heavily investing in AI is a safe bet for beginners. Companies like Google or Alphabet Inc., ticker Google, Microsoft, ticker MSFT, and Amazon, ticker AMZN, are leading the AI revolution. These companies have strong track records, diversified business models, and are at the forefront of AI innovation. Investing in these giants provides stability and steady growth potential. Number 2, do your research. Knowledge is power in the stock market. Stay informed about the latest trends in AI and how they impact different industries. Websites like Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, and Seeking Alpha provide valuable insights and analyses. Understanding the fundamentals, such as a company's earnings, growth potential, and market position, as well as market sentiment, can help you make informed investment decisions. Always look for reliable sources and diverse perspectives to get a well-rounded view. And finally, number 1, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to minimize risk. Besides AI and tech stocks, consider adding other asset classes like bonds, real estate, and commodities. A well-diversified portfolio can provide stability and long-term growth. Diversification helps you mitigate the risk of any single investment performing poorly, thereby protecting your overall portfolio. To recap, choose the right platform. Consider AI-focused ETFs. Start with tech giants, do your research, and diversify your portfolio. These steps will set you on the right path to successful AI stock market investing. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's important to stay patient and informed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips and insights. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy investing.